Hey, what's up? What's up? Bro, I didn't know I was muted the whole time, bro. I was yapping. The OBS isn't doing its job. And it also doesn't show my camera. This is crazy. Um, Let me try deactivate, activate. It's okay. I mean, no camera is okay. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It depends on other softwares. Okay. So today, fuck man, I encountered this Leetcode question, brother. And then it's randomized. So it's a random question, and then it's actually freaking it's MySQL, and I don't know MySQL. I was expecting a Python question, bro, but it's MySQL, and I need to learn MySQL anyway, so I just started learning. But the time is up. We're gonna go to the solution and start reciting. We're gonna do it ourselves. We're gonna read the solution and then memorize it and then do it again. Uh, so Um, so let me see what AI would think following my. So I wrote the pseudocode, right? That this is what I want. So if following my logic, I want to see my complexity. Can you write the MySQL right now? Like, let me just try it out. So the first step, I think I need to find the date of all Friday. Yeah. So I guess it's select. And here's the thing that I don't know. Here's the thing I don't know. There's a date. You need to do date. Like I never learned date. What is this? Yeah, I'm doing SQL, but like the thing is, I didn't expect it. I was expecting Python, and I don't know MySQL that well. Unlucky. So it turns out you can use week. Okay, let's go. And the purchase date is there, and we want week 1. Any course? Nah. I'm gonna read a book. I think like you could just read documentation, but it's gonna be boring. And I kind of have a quota of reading book every day. Um, I read like 65 pages or something like that just to learn. Not really like 65 pages any book. It's like a quota daily task. Not really 65. I'm using a program. I'm using a program called Rise. They have tasks every day so that you can like improve yourself, something like that. Some rounding 6 miles, whatever. Like solo leveling, if you know the anime. Um, Hell, I don't even know what I'm writing. This AI is telling me what to do. I'm gonna ask him. So what is week? What does week do? What does week do, bro? Like, we got purchase date here. Oh, so this returns the week number of the year for a given date. Oh, where mode controls 1 weeks. Professionally, I'm an intern, bro. I'm an architect intern. I'm still in college. Uh, yeah, I'm a student, dude, full-time student. But now it's summer, so I'm doing intern. Intern, I do database, but it's graph database, so it's not MySQL. It's Gremlin query, if you heard of it. Basically, you're using Groovy to write the query, which is very different from SQL. Okay, So you said the week purchase date. Then what is it doing here? Like we're so what is the mode 1 then? What is 1? I'm talking to AI right now. Mode 1 means weeks start on Monday, and the first week of the year is the one. The first week of the year is the one with the first Tuesday. The the wait, but listen though. That's good. Oh, now I see. Okay, so can you also explain the code you just wrote? Like, I don't know what's going on. Like, step by step. Holy shit. Bro's not explaining at all. You know what? I'm just gonna write it down first. This is great because like, I was writing Gremlin a lot, and I can find that MySQL has something similar. So in Gremlin we also use as, but we don't scream like that. We don't scream as with capital letter. We just do as like little case, and we use the chain. We use that to chain them instead of doing this some indentation stuff. Oh, I get it now. I get it now. I get it now. So select is like a project thingy, right? So we purchase date 1, which is we going from the year. Like let's count how many years we already have here in total. This is the year. This is the amount of weeks in total, and then you minus the week that's before this month. What the hell? Then what is this shit? That's crazy. All right, but I can't get the structure. Like what it's trying to do, and the sum we just do the amount total amount, whatever. So in MySQL, you select the columns first, and then you calculate. But in Gremlins, you calculate first, and you select the results. You present them. I see. I see now. You add them is like naming the variable, but it doesn't really do shit. So from purchases. Why is it from purchase? Because it's from the table. From results ordered by 1. Brother, you just told me how to do it. Yeah. Ordered by 1. What is ordered by 1? Forgive me, I'm like new to MySQL, bro. What the hell is day of week? So there's a lot of there are a lot of functions for dates. From the select statement to order from. It takes the first column from the select statement. Oh, I mean this one? Oh, I see. I see what you mean. You order from based on the week of month. Okay, I see. I see what you mean. Wait, does that work though? Hold on, let me see. Let me try your solution. Hold on. You're not in the group anymore. Hell, man. How do you order by one? Like that? So what is day of week though? Day of week purchase date equal to 6. What does that mean? Like, why are you doing that? Okay, does this work though? Oh, I'm stupid. Wait, I gotta calculate the week. Yeah, my bad. It's the same thing. Same thing though. Same thing. I'm here. We're from. Wait, me? I'm from China. I'm from China. Hold on. Ah. Okay. Okay. I see. I see. Okay. This is Friday, brother. This means it's Friday. Oh my God. Ah. No. No. Okay. Hold on a second. But we got the date right. We got the date right. We just didn't get the week right. The week of month. What happened? Should we not group at all? What does group I even do? So if I group it, it's gonna be huh. Can I do between like this? Wait, but the problem is the code doesn't really. Should I delete this comment? And holy. Okay, but why is the output now though? Why is the output now? Yeah, that's right. That's right. Then what about the I'm stupid. That's a typo. Accepted. Okay. Um Okay, now here's the problem. What is date format? Oh, it's basically the date. We want the year turn into this 4-digit year. And then this turns into 2-digit month. And then this turns into date, 2-digit date. We convert this into this format basically. That's what this function does. And then this whole thing is gonna be the date for this function to think about. But what is the one though? What is the word mode one? This doesn't tell me what it is. Then what is Sunday? If I want to start on Sunday, so if I want to start on Sunday, that should the mode be 7? Right? Anyway, I understand the overall logic. I just don't understand this part. The mode is an integer, the first day of the week. Oh. So if it's 0, then it means the week starts on Sunday. But if it's 1, it starts on Monday. It returns 0 to 53. Damn it. Wait, what if the... But the problem didn't specify which the week is the first week. That's weird. Anyway. That was interesting. Okay, now I want to see what the other do. So the runtimes are so bad. It's okay. I want to see the first one. It's not that bad though. Okay, I want to. Okay, this is much easier. Looks like. So you select same thing here. You select the first day. Wait. Okay, here's the thing about MySQL. Is there a difference between capitalized letter and non-capitalized letter, lowercase letter? There's no difference, no. It's just for readability, I think. But this guy wants to do it for fun. Like we do it, we'll capitalize them first and then lowercase it. Mm. Wow. Gotta stay hydrated, bro. Let me get some water. All right, good. What's going on here? Oh. Okay. Let me look at the question again. So basically it says amount spent. Okay, yes. So bro just sum it directly. Okay. Minus the first day. Okay. Purchase date, which is the middle one. The middle one. From purchases. Okay, from the purchase table, where day of week, purchase date equal to 6. Oh, you can do that. Right. And then you group by 1 and 2. Oh, we can group by 1 and 2 instead of saying the 1, 2. Okay. Question. What does group by do again? This is basically the same code, bro. How old are you, bro? I'm 22. I'm 22. So this one is like, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. But remember to plus 1 because you don't want to get 0 from it. Who get a job soon? Yeah, thank you, bro. It's more like a joke, actually. I feel like people can get job. I can get job for sure, but like, people just like to joke about their unemployment status. It just depends on what kind of job you get, You can get a good job, a bad job, the same thing. You still get a job. Thank you, man. Thank you. Just remember, I'll be here every day. Well, sometimes I may not stream because maybe internet sucks. But I will upload videos anyway. The point is I want to do one Leetcode every day. I don't really need to do it right now, but you know, just to stay sharp. I want to still do it even after I get a job, just to stay sharp and shit. Also, it's fun to learn a new language. Honestly, I don't know SQL. I don't know SQL. I'm just learning it. Wait, let me wait. Can someone tell me what this is? Groups rows that have the same value into summary rows. Like find the number of custom. Oh, I get it now. I get it now. I get it now. Okay. Wait, what if I don't group by purchase date? I just do this. Yeah, man, good luck, bro. How are you? Are you getting job? Purchase date. Okay, so, so if I have the same, okay, I see. Okay, let's say this one. So we select the count of customer ID. So there are this many ID. Wrong SQL. What is experience 100? Expert 1000. What is that, bro? Isn't it count customer ID? Tyler preparing for something exams though. Okay. Good luck, man. Good luck. You're probably preparing for some certificate. That's good. Um, but it's grouping by country. But I think I know how to do it now, bro. So this one says order by purchase date. Yeah, that makes sense. Wait, it orders by purchase date? Not week of month? Oh, well, I guess that makes sense because you group by 1, 2 anyway. Okay, anyway, let's do it ourselves. Let's do it again. Okay. Reset. All right. First of all, select the following. First one is week of month. So we know it's gonna be as week of month. But then what do we do here though? What do we do here? You know what? I fucking forgot. Hold on. I think it's a week. Start from week and then minus week again. And you're +1, right? And this I'm totally just reciting the thing. Okay. Week something. Okay. What though? Is a purchase date minus okay. I think that's pretty much it, right? That makes sense, no? Okay, the second one is purchase date, which is just purchase date. The third column should be total amount as total amount. And we can use the sum function. Wait. Sum what? Amount spent, right? And now we filter it, right? Filter it where day of week. Is that the right function? Day of week. Purchase date equals to 6. Okay. Group sort by. Hold on, is this? Wait, why is not order? Okay, my bad. Order by. What is order by? What's the week of month? And then ASIN. See if that works. Shit, bro. Huh? Unknown column. Purchase date in field list. Holy crap. Alright, fuck it, man. What is it? Minus week plus 1 sum amount spent as total amount. Wait, what does sum do, by the way? Doesn't it sum like, doesn't it sum the entire column, or does it sum whatever that it, whichever position that it traverses to? Holy shit, I don't know jack shit about this function. Ah! It returns the entire thing. What are you talking about? Oh, I'm stupid. I forgot to add from purchases from the table. Right. Order by, where, group by. So why don't we wait, so how come at the end of the day, in the output, the total amount doesn't show the entire amount of the column of the amount spent? It just shows the amount that's totaled up until November 3rd. Why? Is it because it's a group? It's grouped? Hold on, let me just fix this real quick. Oh. If I don't do group, it's gonna show something like this. Oh, it is by group. I see. Okay, redo. Fucker, redo. Because I saw the answer. All right. Select the first day of a week. Week minus week. Plus 1 as week of month. The week of this is gonna be the purchase date minus the first day of the month, which is 2023-1101. Cool. And then we put in purchase date, and then we put in total amount. Oh no, we do this first, amount, and then we sum them up. You know, we sum them up. We sum like, oh, what do we sum? We sum amount spent, right? But not yet, because we are choosing from the purchases where day of week purchase date is so painful with autocomplete, equal to 6, which is Friday, and then we group by, order by group. We need to group by because we want to calculate the total amount of each week. So we're gonna group by the week of month by 1, but also Friday is unnecessary because you only have 1 Friday per week, bro. Order by 1 is nice. Get out. Get the fuck out. All right. It was nice coding today. See you guys in the future. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know.